Alright, so I need to put the coins behind there. Hope I won't somebody steal it. But hi guys, welcome to season 2, episode 2, guys. So this time this is the season 2 again. So yeah. Anyways, let me go to sleep. Alright guys. This is the season 2, episode 2. So this season 2, episode 2, it's time to steal the coins. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Let's do it. I need to drive slowly, so yeah. There's the coins. Yes. Let's do it. Yay! I got the coins. Let's go. Let's put it under the cover, so I hope the crayon sharpener won't see it. Alright. Now let me go to sleep. When it's wake up time. Alright. Let me check my coins. What? Who took my coins? It was just sat there all day. It was just sitting there all day. Like, where's my coins? I knew it! Somebody steal my coins! Hey you, the yellow truck. Did you steal my coins? Yes or no? No, I did not. Why did I even steal your coins? Then did you tell me the truth? Why is the coins disappearing? Well, I steal the coins because you won't let me have some coins. Bro, are you stupid or something? You cannot steal some coins. You could get to go to jail for that. And for that, you are going to timeout for 3 minutes. And after that, I will get the coins. So come over here. What? Don't check it! Don't check it! Ah! I knew you were trying to steal the coins without my permission. And I was trying to put my coins on the spot right here. And you were trying to steal the coins without permission. So you know what? This is your punishment. Your punishment is going to timeout. Give me these coins. And I'm gonna tell some of the cars. Guys, you won't believe what Yellow Truck did. What happened, dude? The yellow stupid truck just stole my coins without my permission. And he didn't ask me either. He was trying to steal the coins without permission when I was trying to go to sleep. Now tell him that he stole the coins. Alright, I got this, bro. Hey! You do not steal the coins without crayon sharpener's permission. Do you understand? Yes. Alright. And you! You do not steal the coins without his permission. Do you understand? Yes. Alright. And so, Yellow Truck, why did you steal his coins without permission? I don't know. You liar! Oh. And hey, why did you steal his coins without permission? No, I didn't. Stop lying! You know what you did because you were trying to steal his coins without his permission. So sit here. Hey, yellow car. Try again. Hey, yellow truck. Why did you steal his coins without his permission? I don't know. Stop lying. Oh, my head. It hurts so bad. Alright. Yellow truck. Why did you steal his coins without his permission? You do know that stealing is not okay. And you can go to jail for that. Alright. See? I told you that you're not supposed to be stealing, loser. And for stealing the coins, you will go to timeout. But still not the timeout. It will be the jail time. So come with me now. Oh my god, my tummy! Come with me now. You will be going in the crayon box. It doesn't even fit, man. Stupid. But you will be going in the crayon box. But just not the crayon box, but the jail crayon box. I already got rid of him, guys. So give me my coins. Let me put my coins right in the spot. And guys, please do not steal my coins. It's always somebody else's coins, but it's my coins. And let me go back to sleep. Okay, guys, this is the next part. Oh, wait. Alright, guys, this is the next part of Season 2, Episode 3. So, I will see you in this season. So, bye, guys.